Hi, I'm Mara Anderson and I'm here at the RHS Chelsea Flower Show 2023. I'm about to go and see if I can find some familiar faces and see what their earliest childhood memories were of gardening. Come this way. Joe, what is your earliest childhood memory of gardening?
It's going to my grandma and granddad's, and my granddad taking me into his greenhouse. His garden was very small, but there was a huge greenhouse, and it was walking in, and the tomatoes. He just used to grow masses of tomatoes, and they were huge. And I remember the scent in the greenhouse. I remember how it felt. Everything about it was very evocative, and I just used to love picking the tomatoes with him. And I think that sets the seed for me to be a gardener.
And you certainly are.
Well, I love being outside. My parents were always throwing us out. We're never, ever indoors, which I think kids are missing out these days because they're never out and about, are they? Climbing trees, getting into what I call good trouble. I mean, our good trouble, just literally climbing the wall and maybe nicking a few apples. But that's how I got up and close and personal with nature.
Yeah.
But I remember my dad saying to me, to get me from under his feet, go out in the garden and find me a four-leaf clover. And do you know what, Harriet? I'm still looking for it.
Love it. Thanks.
Oh, that's a long time ago. You know, you are taking me back away. We had a rockery. Everyone had rockeries in those days, and conifers, and it was my job to weed the rockery. And I remember that really clearly, and the sort of sense of pride in sort of getting it all looking lovely. And now I'm much more sort of free with things like weeding, not always so on top of it. But yes, I just have such good memories of that. And my three brothers were all given a little patch of garden to grow vegetables and things, and I wasn't.
Oh,
yes,
but now you do, you see.
And now I do. So I'm making up for lost time.
What was Mum, the one with the blue bits on the end? What was the blue bits? No, come on, no, don't say it like that.
There's plenty of them.
You know the blue bit ones. Forget me nots.
Yeah, you see, I like the
Two
fact
from
that
two. I almost forgot the forget me nots. That's it.
You forgot.
I'm living my best life out here today.
Oh.
I wish I bought a van. I wish I bought a van to go home. But you can't purchase until the last day.
Until the last
day, right?
Come back.
Okay, fine.
Come back. We'll be back.
Yeah.
My earliest memory was going out into the garden when no one was looking and picking raspberries and strawberries, and I used to get ticked off for that because there was no bowl in sight. It was just for me.
Just for you. I love that. The cheeky merit. And look, you went on to make fabulous cakes.
I did, and also I'm a very keen gardener.
Yes, I know. Oh, well, thank you so much.